Now you can serve this over like potatoes or rice or noodles and the side of a veggie. But make sure you use some of that marinade to put over top of everything. All right, this chicken dish is super simple. We're just gonna add some soy sauce, some minced garlic, some onion flakes or diced onion, some honey, a dash of onion powder, a dash of garlic powder, and we mix it all up. All right, I'm gonna add my chicken. It is partially frozen still. So I will marinate it until it is thawed. I have 2 legs with back attached and 1 breast for myself. I'll put a little bit of oil over top of this, as well as some pepper. Lots of pepper. And some salt. That's enough salt because the soy sauce has lots of salt in it. And we stir as, oh, I'm gonna use my hands. Hands are best for this. That's why you need a big bowl, because you gotta move everything around. I was gonna use a bag, but I feel like a bowl's easier. You know what? I might actually switch this to a bag so I can squish it around more. All right, let's put this all into a big ziplock. Okay, live and learn, I guess. Zip this guy up. And we smush. That's better. Now I'm probably gonna marinate these chickens until 1, they're thawed, and 2, until I'm ready to cook dinner. And that will be for a couple hours. So I will be back. All right, my chicken is all thawed. So I'm gonna put it in a greased casserole dish. Pieces are so odd. I'm going to pour the marinade over top of the chicken. Don't want to waste any of that. And then I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes or until the internal temperature is 170 degrees. I'll be back. Check this out, guys. Look at how delicious that looks. Oh my God, it smells so good. Let's cut it open. This is the easiest chicken, I'm telling you right now. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? I have a little bit of a taste. I should get a fork. Now you can serve this over like potatoes or rice or noodles and the side of a veggie. But make sure you use some of that marinade to put over top of everything. Oh my God, it is so good. You guys have definitely got to make this. I'm gonna go make plates for supper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.